I think the most important thing that I got out of my gap year was the way it changed my thinking. Before taking a gap year, I just kind of assumed that this is the way the world works, this is the status quo, but it taught me how to be more analytical and critical, which I didn't even realize until I was in a college classroom, and I realized I had a different perspective from everyone around me because I had taken a gap year and I had taken time before college for myself and to see different cultures and understand them, and I still find new ways that my gap year is benefiting me even now, whether it's how I engage with the community or it's my outlook on life. It keeps coming back to me, and I think that's the best thing about a gap year. I'm constantly learning new things about myself and how I perceive the world, and I think I can owe it all to my gap year and just being in a culture that is completely different from my own.